Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes. So today we are not just doing math, we are training for the corporate Olympics, and the question on the screen is from the Mercer Employability Test. Okay, now don't let the name bore you. Mercer is basically the final boss of hiring. Okay, top companies use it to see if your brain works under the pressure or not. So let's come to the question first. Question is, Anne, Matt and Zach can clean a house together in 2 hours. If Anne alone takes 5 hours and Matt alone takes 6 hours, how many hours will it take Anne and Zach together to finish the job? There are 4 options. Option number A says 3 hours, option number B is 4 hours, option number C is 5.5 hours, and option number D says 6 hours. Okay. So, we will be solving this question in this session. Now, we will use the inverse relationship rule. Okay. Look, time and efficiency are mortal enemies. If you are 2x faster, then you take half of the time. And in this kind of problems, never add the hours, okay, and always add the rate, that is the work done in 1 hour. So let's look at our characters. We have Anne, Matt and Zach. They are cleaning a house, and if I talk about the togetherness, A plus M plus Z, this is 2 hours, right? Anne takes 5 hours. Matt, he takes 6 hours. And the goal is what? How long Anne plus Zach take time. Okay. So we assume the whole house is 1 unit. Okay, now rate of all three, that is half into house per hour, and rate of Anne is what? 1/5 house by hour, and rate of Matt, this is 1/6 house by hour. Now to find Zach's speed, we take the we just kick Matt and Anne out. Okay, so rate of Zach is the total rate minus Anne's rate minus Matt's rate. So rate of Zach will be 1/2 minus 1/5 minus 1/6, right? Now common denominator for 2, 5 and 6 is 30. So rate of Zach will be this is 30, so this will be 15, 6, 5. So this is basically 4/30, right? So this is 2/15. Okay, 2/15 house per hour. Now the question asks for Anne and Zach together. We just need to combine their rates. Anne's rate is what? 1/5, which is you can say 3/15, and Zach's rate is 2/15, right? So combine the rate now. So this is 3/15 plus 2/15, that is 5/15. So this is 1/3. And if they clean 1/3 of a house in 1 hour, then how long for the whole house, definitely 3 hours. Right? So yes, option number A. Option number A is our right answer. Okay? Anne and Zach don't even need math. Now, if I talk about the LCM method, now instead of the messy fractions, pick a fake house size using the LCM of the times, that is 2, 5 and 6. So let the house have 30 windows and the total team cleans 30 by 2, that is 15 windows per hour, and cleans 30 by 5, that is 6. Matt 30 by 6, that is 5. So Zach must clean 15 minus 6 minus 5, that is 4. Okay. So Anne plus Zach, that is 10 windows per hour. So to clean 30 windows, they will be taking 30 by 10, that is 3 hours. Okay. So you can solve this problem by the LCM method. Okay. And this is more clean method than the fraction method. Okay. So this is the whole solution for this question. I hope this is clear to you. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Mercer Employability Test. Okay. So bye bye. See you.